hope you're doing well. I know that it's been a while, and today I just might give you guys an explanation. But like I said, I hope you guys are doing well. I know you're probably like, but you did just make a video. I did. If you haven't already seen it, I will put it somewhere up in here, but definitely check out my vlog. I went to Puerto Rico last month, and I wanted to kind of show you guys what it's like to travel during COVID. I took that risk for y'all. So if you haven't already, go watch that video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel because I'm out here risking my life for y'all. But it has been a while. The last video I did was in October of me in this same setting, and you know, a lot of things has happened. I definitely keep a lot of stuff, you know, close and near and dear to my heart, just for the sake of, you know, not dealing with people's opinions about what's been going on. But you know, right after I recorded that video, my grandmother was very, very sick at the time and passed. And then 2 months later, my mother passed, who obviously I hold very, very dear to my heart, and I couldn't go this week without not at least acknowledging her in this setting, just because her birthday is on the 10th of this month, and I'm excited to be able to celebrate her in a new way, unfortunately, if that makes any sense. But so slowly trying to get back to what life kind of was, maybe not, you know, but here I am. Either way, I'm here because you guys know what I do when I come to you guys. I'm reviewing something, and today is probably gonna be my favorite unboxing. I literally just got it tonight, but I tried to make myself look a little bit better so that I could unbox it tonight, because I said when I get it, I'm gonna unbox it. So I had to make myself available to unbox it, because if I didn't, I would have just opened it and faked it. But this, look, still sealed. I haven't opened it. This is for you guys. But I don't even know how to describe it, but let's get into the details. Can you guys tell what it is? I wish I could do like a preview video and kind of like make you guys guess, but I'll tell you guys. It is my Telfar bag. I'm so excited. Let me tell you guys something. Anytime I've been buying something in 2020, I go, you know what? 2020 kicked my butt. Or 2021. Anytime I buy something this year, I'm like, 2021 kicked, or 20, I'm never gonna get it right at this point. Anytime I buy something this current year, I just make the excuse of 2020 kicked my butt. I deserve it, right? So, among other reasons, I've been following this brand for such a long time. And so, the Telfar bag. I don't even know what to say. But let's go over some specs, okay? Telfar, unisex brand. Telfar has been around since 2005, okay? And started in New York by Telfar Clemens. Dope designer. He's been established for that long. What really brought him to the popularity scene as of last year was the unfortunate events of George Floyd and people wanting to support Black businesses. He also won the Design Museum Award for creating vegan leather, gender-neutral shopping bags aimed to redefine the stereotypical concept of luxury, fashion, being only white privileged, and being aspirational. Okay, he's been around, like I said, since 2005. That means he's been 15 years in the game. And the really cool thing that I love that he said is that it is a status bag, but the status has nothing to do with the price. Okay, because on the grand scale of things, you know, I put Telfar up there, but as far as price, he's definitely coming in way lower than Balenciaga, Gucci, Louis, all those things, but he, in my mind, and most people put him up there, but he's more affordable and it's gender neutral. You see on his website, you see men with the shopping bag, you see females, all genders with their shopping bags, fashion bags, just kicking it. He was, like I said, founded in 2005 in New York. Telfar is a Liberian American. And you know, he has continued to grow through this. The other part that really highlighted him this year was him being on Beyonce's website during Black businesses being highlighted after the unfortunate demise of George Floyd. And then Oprah put him on her favorite things for 2020. And you know, that's all I got to say about that. So let's get into the bag, because I could keep talking about specs all day and keep talking about how great he is, but let's get into it. So I'm literally like cutting this in front of y'all. So, and so before I even open it, so it has the Telfar logo here, Telfar logo there, basic box, okay? I've watched a lot of unboxings of this in my anticipation. So I ordered this bag last week, Monday. So that's also the really cool thing about him, is that so resale of his bags were skyrocketing at one point because everybody wanted to get their hands on this bag. And so what he decided to do was release all colors, because like he said, it's not for you, it's for everyone. And that's what his staple is, and I love it. But recently he's been doing, I think last week he released 3 things. He released this bag, the black one, and then the green hat, and then today the pink bag came out, if I'm not mistaken. I'm recording this on a Monday. So yeah, I mean, you know, I definitely was like, you know, when he did, like, he dropped this, and then he dropped the black bag or the green hat, I was like, oh, if he's doing a release every day this week, I'm in trouble. But I don't want the black bags. I have 1,000 black bags, but I'm definitely looking at those darker tan colors, getting my hands on it when it's released, okay? So I will talk to you guys about how I actually secured the bag, but here we go. So I actually got the medium one. It came in this bag, nice and... So right here, I'm just gonna cut in and do a voiceover just because I said duffel bag too many times, and that is incorrect. It actually is a dust bag. I did know that, just said that incorrectly. And it's just one of those, again, staples that puts him separate from other brands, being the fact that you do have the dust bag, which is common to see in luxury branding. I'm trying to look at it first. But, so I got the rose gold. Or let's call it the bronze. It's definitely more of a bronze color, actually. It's not rose gold. Online, it kind of, I don't know. I don't even know how to, like, but either way, I think it was called copper, actually. It was not called bronze. My bad. But this is it. And so that was in the bag. And I feel like there's something else in here, so I'm going to try to grab it. Oh, it's just the paper from the bag. But as you see, it has the long straps, and then you have the shorter straps, and then you have the bag with the embossed logo. And as a graphic designer, I stand for this logo, okay? You see the T, you see the C, boom, bam. It's not too much, it's real simple. It can be put on many things, and it really stands out. You know this is a Telfar bag when you look at it, okay? So, and it's very lightweight. It's not too heavy. The straps are pretty heavy, actually, but it's not too heavy. You can tuck the straps in. I know I saw some people's comments saying, well, how do you tuck the strap, or how do you get rid of the straps? Because, you know, some, you know, bags, or most bags, if they have long straps, they have the clips and clasps to kind of like put them on, take them off. But you can, you know, hit them with one of these. Sure, there's a better way to do this, but then boom, okay? But so We have these straps, we have the long straps. Looking inside, it has a nice lining that matches the bag. And then you have the, Telfar logo right here where the zipper is. Nothing too much, okay? And then you unzip, and then it has a pocket here. And then you kind of open it up, and it has that. And then it has a tag. So it just has the medium copper. So there we go. Now I really know. It's the copper bag. And like I said, it is the medium. And y'all, I mean, just like, look at, okay, let me fix the bottom. Look at that. Like, look at that. Y'all, I'm so happy. I love, love, love this bag. So this is it. I can't wait to give you guys kind of some few looks in this bag, how I want to style it. Because even though, you know, I was going to wait and just wait for them to come out with neutrals, but I just felt like this is my moment. So that's why I got this bag, but it also still isn't too much. Like with what I have on right now, it wouldn't necessarily be bad to wear with, right? And this is just like a whole pink sweatsuit. But like, oh, you guys. So let's talk about how I got the bag. Like I said, oh, it's not gonna stand up, especially with it having that bend in there right now. But like I said, saw that the bag was coming out, tried to decide if I really actually wanted to wait and see what other releases he had, or if I wanted to get this one. Decided to get this one. It's actually, I don't have a method to my madness. I just so happened woke up early that day, kind of got myself together, and then I went to Instagram and I was like, bet, I forgot that was coming out today. And it was like 8:45. So I was like, cool. Because I was pondering on going back to sleep. But I was like, bet, cool. I'll just stay up and, you know, wait for the bag. So was on the website, had already, like I said, had been looking at it. So it was the first thing once I came onto my Safari to look for. So I waited. Once 9 o'clock came, it still was saying that it wasn't available yet. So I just went back and I refreshed it, clicked the bag I wanted, which was the medium, and I checked out. It did kind of have me wait in a line a little bit, but I was checked out by 9:02. I'm not sure exactly what time the bag sold out, but when I came back at 9:09, the bag was gone. And so I was like, great, glad I got my bag. But I was supposed to have it on either Thursday. I think I was supposed to get my bag on Thursday. Excuse me, and I did not. It was because of inclement weather, which was technically kind of on both ends. I know New York, you know, which I'm assuming, you know, because they do everything in-house. So I know New York has been crazy all week, last week, you know, with the raining and pouring, or not raining, snowing and whatnot. So I knew when that came in, that was one of the delays. Then we had inclement weather here with our little piece of snow that we got, and so it delayed the process even more. So I had to keep it set, come back for the next day, because then it was out on Friday and then came back in. That part I don't know about, but either way, I got my bag today. One thing that sometimes with UPS, they will, if it's not deliverable, they'll take it somewhere else and stuff like that. So I was really, really hoping that they were gonna leave it at my door, and they did. So I'm truly, truly happy that I was able to get this without having to go to their site. Maybe the deliverer brought it back already. Maybe he didn't, because I've had those instances before, but no. Everything worked out how it was supposed to. So yeah, that is my summary of this bag. Like I said, I will continue to, you know, come to you guys if I decide to get another one, which I'm really wanting to. I like the medium. That's more my style, because this is actually still pretty big. You know what I mean? Like in comparison to me, this is still a pretty big bag. I recently got a Coach bag in 2020 that is like huge, right? So when I thought about that, when I thought about the large bag, I was like, oh no, because like that's like statement. Like, you really don't try to do something when you wear such a big bag. I personally, that's just not my thing. This is really big. And the thing about this is, like, I don't know if I want the small one because it's so cute, it's so petite. But this is my perfect size. So if I ever get another one, more than likely it's going to be the medium size, because, you know, unless in the future I may want to get because I see almost the large one more as like a carry-on bag, which would kind of be dope. If he came out with like a luggage line, that would be everything. Because I've been looking to get a set of luggage. But yeah, so that's that. I don't think I have anything else to go over with you guys. I'm over here trying to like look for my iPad to make sure I hit all of those great points, because I just wanted to make sure I'm giving you guys all of the information. But yeah, so just remember, you know, be on the lookout. I'm sure some colors are way more popular than others. But like I said, this still, by the time I checked in 9 minutes, it was sold out. But never miss that opportunity. It was a lot more easier to do than most sneaker releases, and I am okay with that, okay? But until next time, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, guys, because it might be a while this time, and I mean that. But yes, so I hope you guys continue to stay safe. I hope you guys continue to wear your mask so we can go back outside, because I'm a whole old lady now. I want to be in the house. But yeah, until next time, wear your mask. You're not doing it for you. You're doing it for somebody's family. You're doing it for somebody's grandmother. You're doing it for everybody. Don't be selfish. And no, nobody's paying me to say that, obviously, but do not be selfish. The quicker we can get through this, a lot of countries have passed this stage, and America's still dragging it on. But until next time, you guys,